Hey everyone, welcome back to Bazai. If you've been watching AI developments lately, you know the video generation space is heating up fast. But Google just dropped something that's going to blow your mind. Veo 3.1 and the new flow features are here, and they're changing the game for creative AI. Stick around as I break down exactly what this means for creators like us.
Enhanced capabilities give you control like never before. Let's take a look. You can use a reference image, a location, a character, object, or a combination. Veo puts them together into a fully formed scene, complete with sound.
Hello, is anybody here?
Great moments don't need to end. You can extend your clips and transform any shot into a full scene. And for ultimate narrative control, define the start and end points of your shot. Veo bridges them with epic transitions. You can also reimagine any shot by adding or removing elements, from subtle details to impossible objects. Veo matches scale, lighting, and shadow for seamless results. All this with astonishing detail, real-world physics, and cinematic outputs. Bring it all to life with audio, using sound effects, ambient noise, and dialogue.
Just gotta listen.
Push creativity to new limits with Veo. Start creating today with Flow.